back again with another video today. Just wanted to get on here. I know I'm a lot late, but better late than never. I want to do this quick unboxing of the Moto E5 Plus. This was a phone that I've been wanting. I just hadn't had the time to go get it, or the money to go get it. I have the money today, so I was like, let me go to Metro PCS, pick up this device. So let me give you a look at the box. I don't like how Metro PCS boxes are. They're pretty ugly. It says Metro PCS Moto E5 Plus. You have the phone on the front. On the back here, guys, it lets you it tells you the specifications of the phone. So the phone features, you get is 4G LTE enabled, Android. It's got a 6-inch HD display, a 12 megapixel rear camera with the laser autofocus and LED flash, 8 megapixel front facing camera with a selfie flash, 32 gigabytes of memory, and it takes an SD card slot. They don't have it on the back of here, but it takes one. 3 gigabytes of RAM, 1.4 gigahertz octa-core processor. What's inside? So you get the Moto E5 Plus, embedded battery, SIMs card, turbo power charger with USB data cable, and a quick start guide. And no, this is not a USB type C, and that sucks. But let's go on and open up the device. Take the box off like so, and then you're greeted with the phone. It's kind of cheap the way they have this package because it's in plastic. I'm gonna put that to the side. And the inside here was my SIMs card tool. The SIMs is already in the phone. Pull this up here. You get the SIM ejector tool. I have a lot of these. You get your books that no one reads. You get your charging plug, adapter plug. This says turbo. And you get your charging cable. Like I said, this is not USB type C, so it's a regular cable. I have a lot of those around the house, but this is what it looks like, guys. This is what it looks like. Back to the device. Like I said, it's in plastic, not that fancy. We will pull it out. Look at that nice shiny back. It's not glass, plastic, but it feels a lot better than the LG Stylo 4 on the back. But I don't know if this will get scratches on it or not. I have to order a case and a screen protector for the phone. And we're gonna pull off this paper. And here you are, the 6-inch screen. This has that I think 18:9 aspect ratio. As you can see, it's tall. It's a big phone. It's not that big though. My Note 8 is bigger than this phone, of course. But rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube video. I'll be back again with another video with a review and first impressions of this device. This was just a quick unboxing. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.